Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial on Xiangqi Midgame tactics. This will be a continuation of the previous board whereby the tactic of blocking and using the situation on the board to your advantage is shown. Now a quick analysis of the board will show that red would have 2 chariots and 2 cannons, a full guard. Black would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse, a pawn, and a single elephant guard. Now these examples are all based on the free ebook that is available at the link given below. Now black would be the first to move, and at this point in time, if red were allowed to move first, he could attack with c9 equals to 6 and thus create a lot of havoc. But how can black make use of the situation over here and turn the tide in his advantage to his advantage? First of all, black to move first. Black will play r2 equals to 4 to nullify any potential threat by the great cannon. Now, this move is also a very good move because it would allow the horse to come into action. So for example, red would try to trade material, and after trading material, the cannons will be free to attack. Now, after playing r2 equals to 4, black would not be in a hurry, or he would refuse to accept the trade of material, and instead he would play a very nice move of h2 minus 4, threatening to checkmate. This would force the advisor to capture the horse. And as can be seen, once this position was reached, an obvious target would be that black could go for the checkmate with the double chariots. So this is what black could do. Now, black would have a potential threat of checkmating with r8 plus 3 at this point. So let's say red tried to offer another trade of chariots, so to nullify this threat, but black can simply play c6 equal to 8 to block the chariot from trading and still go for the kill. Now, let's say if red tried to attack in this manner, and he tried to offer his chariot so that a smarted cannon checkmate would suffice, red would simply capture the chariot, check, block the cannon, capture the cannon, and after trading material, we can see that red would be 1 cannon up, and he will also have the extra pawn. Now this would be more than enough to achieve victory. So as can be seen, black had used the tactic of blocking to his advantage several times in this situation. So a quick recap. Again, black would play r2 equals to 4, which serves many purposes. Among them would be to nullify any potential attack and also allow for the horse to attack. Red offers a trade of material, and this would be when black starts to sacrifice material. This would be a check that red cannot ignore, and once the advisor was played, this flank would be empty, and black would go for the kill. r4 equals to 2 would not be possible, and neither would r4 plus 3. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for each video. Thank you.